slot, which is this slot. Let us first hide this object and let us insert existing component into our product. Click on product, click on key and open. Click on the automatic renaming to rename the files. To prevent the automatic renaming, you can name the files here. Then that automatic renaming dialog box won't come. You can see this is the key. I'll take manipulation along y-axis, along z-axis, now click on OK. I'll take contact between this face and this face. Update. You can see here both the faces have been contacted. Now I'll take contact between this face and this face. Update this. You can see the object has been positioned. Right click here to see the degrees of freedom. You can see the translation along z-axis degree of freedom is left out. So close this. Now let us take the contact constraint between this cylindrical face and this cylindrical face. Of course, it won't be a surface contact because both the diameters are different. So it will be a line contact. Click on OK and update. Now let us check the degree of freedom. There is no degree of freedom. So this object is now completely constrained. Let us bring back our bush. We'll click on swap visual space, select this object and hide it here and swap visual space to get our total assembly. We have completed our assembly file, but we are left out with only this key. In the next video, we are going to create this key.